As you could see, imvula iyanetha bafethu. It's a Saturday, semfulo kune-event nyana, as you could see. So kuzoba ne-draw nyana bafethu nani nabona. It's the $100. Vele la ngibatshela ama-agents sisela imali yabo. So vele sasikhuthaza i-host yakhona Mr. Bruce. So as you could see, yeah, it's the HFM, so we told like it was. So the event there HFM vela bo yenzeke kasi. So sijikana nama-agents ngithi nangu-Foxman ulele naye khathe sasukuma ke manje sifuna ukubona khambani yabo. Na $100 bafethu, $100 account. Oh, mengithi ngibona igama lami angibelieve bafethu, ngiyasukuma ngiyilanda. Ngiyasho ngithi ngithanda nje uyasebenza bafethu nani nabona. I'm happy now bafethu, angisakhona